Today I am going to talk about some certainty and uncertainty phrases. So keep watching. So let's get started. If you are 100% certain that something is true, then you can say these phrases. The first one is I am quite certain that, then your statement. Next is I am absolutely positive that, then your statement. I have no doubt that, then your statement. It's definitely, then your statement. These phrases you can use when you are very certain, you are 100% certain on any statement, then you can say these phrases. Okay, so sometime to support a statement you want to use external evidence like popular agreement or scientific facts. For example, the phrase is it's common knowledge that, it's common knowledge that. And second one is everybody knows that, everybody knows that. It's no secret that. And next one is few people would deny that, then your statement. Few people would deny that, then your statement. It's a well established fact that, then your statement. It's a well established fact that, then your statement. And next is very common phrases, it has been proven that, then your statement. It has been proven that, then your statement. These phrases are used when you want to give any popular evidence, popular agreement with the for the evidence, then you can use these phrases. If you make a logical deduction that you are certain is true or correct, you can use must or must have. Must for the situation in the present and must have for the situation in the past. So example is for the situation in the present, there is no signal on my cell phone, we must be out of the range of cell phone tower. And the past example is her car isn't here, she must have gone out, she must have gone out. Okay, so where you want to use for the logical deduction certainty true or correct, then you can use must or must have. Okay, now if you are mostly certain about something but not 100% sure, then you can 100% not for the 100% certainty, then you can use this phrase I am pretty sure. I am pretty sure. I am pretty sure she is not at home. I am pretty sure she is not at home. Okay, so there you can use I am pretty sure for the mostly certainty, not for the 100% surety. Okay, so if you want to guessing with a strong degree of certainty, so you can use some easy phrases like this. There is a good chance, there is a good chance, the odds are, probably, and it's very likely, it's very likely. And very common and very easy, I bet, I bet. These phrases you can use with the guessing on strongly certainty. Okay, so now if you want to guessing with very less certainty, so you can use some phrases like this, I guess, I guess. And it seems that, it's possible, it's possible, it would be surprised if something, your statement. It would be surprised if dash your statement. You can use these phrases with the less certainty for the guessing. Okay, so you want to say something is not probable, you can use some phrases like this. It's unlikely or not likely. Okay, the next is there's not much hope. There is not much hope or chance. And I would be very surprised. I would be very surprised. So I would be very surprised if that team won the championship next week. Okay, so here I use past participle even though the event is in the future. So I would be very surprised if, then you can use, you have to use past participle of the verb. Okay, so next is I don't expect. I don't expect. I don't expect that team to win the championship next week. Okay, I don't expect that team to win the championship next week. Here I use I don't expect after to plus verb. Okay, win is the first form of the verb. Okay, so you can use these phrases for the saying something not probable. Okay, so finally you want to say something is not possible at all, you can use some phrases like this. It is impossible. It is impossible. There is no chance that. Then your statement. There is no chance that. Then your statement. That would never happen. That would never happen. That can't be true. That can't be true. These all are the phrases you can use when you want to say something is not possible at all. Okay, so you can use these phrases. It is impossible, there's no chance that would never happen, that can't be true. Okay, so these phrases for the use only, not possible at any cost. So you can use these phrases. Okay, so here are some expressing uncertainty phrases like this. Well, it is impossible. Well, it is impossible. Well, it might not be. It might not be. I suppose, but I am not sure. I suppose, but I am not sure. I suppose, but I doubt it. I suppose, but I doubt it. Next one. I suppose, but I have my own doubts. I suppose, but I have my own doubts. Next one is, well, no one can tell you for certain. No one can tell you for certain. Okay, no one can't tell you for sure. No one can't tell you for sure. These are the phrases you can use for the uncertainty, expressing your uncertainty. You can use these phrases. Okay, so today I covered some certainty and uncertainty phrases. So hope you enjoyed my video. So be safe, take care, do liking, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Take care, bye bye.